Hello everyone, this is Shumita Roy from Indian Folk, and in this video I am going to talk about the importance of storytelling to children. A common complaint that most parents have is that their children doesn't pay attention to what they say. But this complaint seems to vanish during the story time between the children and the adult. It is often seen that the child listens attentively and gets very curious while their parents tell them stories and even ask questions like what, when, how. Suddenly, what makes the child to forge such deep conversation with stories? And what is the magic of stories? We will see in the next 3 minutes. In terms of psychology, stories do few things to us. Number 1, transportation. When we lose ourselves in the story world. Number 2, identification. When we take on the perception of the story's character. And this makes stories so persuasive. If parents are trying to mold and shape their children's opinion towards life or towards things in general, then stories are found to be very effective. Researchers have shown that children who have read Harry Potter have reduced prejudice towards immigrants. Children love stories and they learn a lot of things from them. They always have a story to tell you, whether it's about the weekend or it's about what happened in the playground. Making time for stories will eventually help you in building a good relationship with your children. And it will show that you love their company and you love spending time with them. Through stories, you give them a chance to experience new things and new situations which are not even real, but they learn a lot of things and take away wisdom. It's a beautiful and a creative way of experiencing and exploring new ideas and new situations. Stories help in the development of a sensible, thoughtful and caring human once your child grows up. Once you know the importance and contribution of storytelling in the development of your child once they grow up, you are bound to make some time for storytelling. Through stories, you help them travel on the wings of the words. You together travel to new places, to new situations. You cry and laugh together. You get surprised, you get excited, and so much. And you know what? You carefully bring them back safely. And this eventually builds a trust in the relationship of a parent and a child. Stories are what nourishes them. Stories are what gives them roots to their past and culture. Stories are what defines them once they grow up. A child in India has been taught history in a different way, and a child in Pakistan is taught history in a different way. Stories that we heard so far in our life has slowly crept into our mind, in spite and despite of our university learning. So stories must be chosen very carefully. Stories can help in increasing empathy and decreasing or reducing prejudice and loneliness if chosen wisely. So I hope next time you will spare some more time with your children, telling them stories and imparting good values through them. This brings me to the end of this video. Thanks for viewing it. For more such updates, do visit indianfolk.com and subscribe to our YouTube channel.